Because I'm guessing GM Chevrolet, all that stuff probably got about the same sound, you know? She going back. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, dude. This is hilarious. She don't want nobody to take that shit. Don't do yours now because she going to pay attention.
Right.
So wait till she get it. By that truck right there, she can't see. She can't see your lights flash now. Isn't that funny? You ain't got my head in there, do you? Oh, that was funny, yo. That was the laugh of the day.
She's still turning around. She coming back. She coming back.
She coming back.
She coming back. She coming back.
Who's this guy?
That's David.
Yeah.
She coming back. So then my car keeps going off. The horn keeps blowing. He's trying to explain her car to him. He's trying to explain his car, her car to her. Her, yeah. Oh my God.
She's using the phone app. She called in and said she's gonna be late. That stuff is malfunctioning.
I'm gonna have to move my car. This tree's causing my alarm to go off.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I can't believe she fell for it. Let me just slam the door a little harder. That'll keep the alarm from going off.
She's probably calling Corvette.
I do not know what's
She's
going on
calling
with my car.
Chevy about it. Her alarm is going off.
Let's see. Let's get her again. Here we go. Oh, she almost got it. She almost saw it.
She ain't looking at your light.
All right, hold on. I'll make sure she turns around first.
That's what he did every time she turned around.
Yeah.
Oh my God. This is priceless, dude. This is priceless.
So mad.
This is priceless. This is priceless. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It just keeps speaking.
Every time I turn away.
She's coming back again.
Stop that shit.
I might leave her alone,
This
dude.
feel like some high school stuff here, dude.
Yeah,
I'm loving it.
She's going back.
She can make sure the other door is shut. It's locked.
I think it's closed. Make sure the front is shut. Yep, it's closed. She done called her husband. That's who she talking to.
Dang, this thing been going on for over 3 minutes now. This is wild.
Let me check the engine bay.
Everything is closed.
Because, you know, the engine's in the back. Let me check that too. Let's see.
Okay, I guess it's gonna be okay now.
A couple more looks at it.
It seems that it's not. As long as I look at it, it won't beep.
Yeah.
But every time I turn around, my back to it, it goes off. I'm walking away now. Now I'm turning back around.
What in the... I'm going to walk back.
Yeah, this is like...
All right, I'm going to leave her alone.
This is like, what's the name, guys? What's those guys that do this stuff on TV?
The Practical Jokers.
Yeah.
She's going to be so mad at me.
You want to do it right there where she at so she can see your car going off? She'll know it's your car? You can let her take it around.
I'm going to leave it alone. I was going to do it again, but like, she got